When there is a need, zoning lines are set aside. Communities come together and volunteers pick up their tool belts. As two cities join forces for one special day in the first ever Extreme Home Repair Blitz.
Today we're out for our first Extreme Homeowner Blitz with Habitat for Humanity. It's a joint blitz, the first of our kind with the City of Newport News and the City of Hampton.
How many here, this is your first home repair blitz? Awesome. All right, so thank you for coming.
We'll be working on about 15 homes today, helping out homeowners in need and really beautifying the community.
Today we're here helping Miss Davis get her home together, painting, doing some landscaping, planting flowers, doing her shed, making her home beautiful, beautifying the community, helping the elderly, because we know we wanted to help her get her home together. So we all came out here to be out here all day. A little sweat, but we're having fun.
I think they're great. They're doing something that I can't do right now. The windows, the doors, the front porch screening in. I think it's great. I'm very happy with what they're doing because y'all are a blessing to a lot of people that can't do it. And keep doing what y'all doing. And I appreciate all the help I can get until I can get back on my feet.